Wafanyabiashara wamepewa changamoto ya kuwekeza katika kupanua uhusiano kati yao, ikiwa njia moja ya kuboresha na kuendana na mienendo ya kisasa, soko ibuka na uvumbuzi wa teknolojia. Wakizungumza jijini Nairobi, wafanyabiashara kutoka sekta mbalimbali walitoa wito kwa serikali kukumbatia kikamilifu maendeleo ya teknolojia katika huduma zake zote za kielektroniki. Kongamano hilo la ushirikiano wa wafanyabiashara lilileta pamoja wahudumu tofauti wa biashara ndogo ndogo jijini Nairobi, huku waandalizi wakilenga kupeleka kongamano hilo katika kaunti zingine.
Business sectors, and it's very good that the business that they have made here tonight, and we are pleasure to continue this event, and it will be every 2 months. We will be doing every 2 months from now. So it's all about networking, and business networking it's based on referral. So one is you connect with other business leaders. That's how you get the opportunity to get referrals, and you do at the same time to do referrals to other business leaders. Because
currently, as we stand today, you can't do business in seclusion. It's all about collaboration, and the same collaboration, when we come together, we network and create that visibility, because without visibility, you may not get profitability. So visibility is critical, and we come here to collaborate.
So it gives me a platform to talk about, and also to just encourage people that we can be able to talk about what we do, because now autism is there. It is not something that we are going to say that it's a curse, or it comes from our forefathers, or there's witchcraft somewhere. It is living with us. It is in every 3 families there's a child with autism. So it gives me that platform to talk about this and to create awareness and to just show people where to go and see